What if we could become Batman or Spider-Man, but not from a radioactive spider or a billionaire's wallet? Instead, imagine rewriting your own DNA to make it happen. Sounds crazy, right? Well, welcome to the mind-blowing world of gene editing. In this video, I'm going to show you how scientists are decoding the blueprint of life to cure diseases, grow better food, and yes, maybe even unlock superpowers. Let's dive in. In this video, here's what we'll explore. What is gene editing? We'll break down the basics of DNA and genes, how it all started, the story of CRISPR and the geniuses behind it, how it works, the tech that makes this possible, real-life applications, how it's already changing medicine, agriculture, and conservation, future possibilities, the incredible potential, and the risks we need to watch out for. Stick with me to the end because this is not just science. It's the future of humanity. DNA is the instruction manual for life, controlling traits like eye color and cell function. Gene editing allows scientists to fix typos in this manual, removing faulty genes or adding ones for better memory. It can cure diseases like cancer, enhance intelligence, and make crops resistant to pests and climate change. The possibilities are endless, even opening doors to superhuman traits. This isn't just science. It's the key to unlocking the potential of life. CRISPR, the superhero of gene editing, was discovered in 1987 at Osaka University. It's a bacterial immune system that chops up viral DNA like tiny ninja stars. Decades later, Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier adapted it for humans, turning nature's defense mechanism into the most powerful DNA editing tool ever created. Think of it as nature's antivirus software, hacked for human benefit. Gene editing is like fixing typos in a massive instruction manual. Your DNA. CRISPR finds the error and cuts it out, replacing it with the correct sequence. First, it locates the faulty gene using guide RNA, like a GPS spotting a typo. Then Cas9, the molecular scissors, snips it out. The DNA repairs itself with the updated code, like autocorrect, creating a flawless draft. It's precise, efficient, and revolutionary. CRISPR has three main players: guide RNA, Cas9, and the target DNA. Guide RNA is the GPS. It locates the exact gene to edit, like finding a typo in a novel. Cas9 is the scissors, cutting the DNA with superhero-like precision. The target DNA is the faulty gene being fixed. Together, they're like Batman, Cas9, Alfred, guide RNA, and Gotham, the target DNA, working seamlessly to clean up genetic crime. Here's how CRISPR operates. Guide RNA directs Cas9 to the precise DNA location. Cas9 cuts the faulty segment, and the DNA replaces it with a corrected version. It's like swapping out a scratchy old vinyl record for a remastered hit single. The result? A clean, healthy genetic code that performs better than ever. Gene editing holds the power to cure genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and Down syndrome, treat chronic illnesses like cancer and diabetes, and even address conditions like autism and deafness. Beyond curing diseases, imagine enhancing intelligence, improving memory, or boosting physical strength. Superpowers might sound like sci-fi now, but CRISPR is making the impossible feel inevitable. The future is exciting and just a little bit wild. Gene editing is transforming the world in three key areas. In medicine, it cured a baby's leukemia in 2022 and is being tested to treat blindness. In agriculture, CRISPR is creating crops resistant to pests and extreme weather, reducing waste. In conservation, scientists are editing endangered animals like the white rhino to adapt to climate change. These are just the early examples of gene editing's game-changing potential. Gene editing promises personalized medicine, sustainable farming, and cures for previously untreatable diseases. But it also comes with risks: bioweapons, genetic inequality, and ecological damage. It's like fire, powerful but potentially dangerous. The future of gene editing depends on responsible use, ensuring it becomes a tool for progress, not harm. The question isn't just what we can do, it's what we should do. Gene editing is one of the greatest breakthroughs in modern science. It can cure diseases, combat climate change, and improve global food security. But with great power comes great responsibility. The real challenge lies in how we use this technology, whether to create a brighter future or risk unintended consequences. The choice is ours to make, and it's one of the most important decisions humanity will ever face. With great power comes great responsibility. As we harness the potential of gene editing, we must ensure ethical considerations guide our actions. The future of this technology depends on our collective choices and stewardship. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is my first video, and there's much more to come. Let's explore the amazing world of science and technology together. Curiosity is the greatest superpower we have, and I can't wait to share more with you. See you in the next one.